Hi peeps and peepettes. I am heading out of Melbourne for the 240 kilometres of the Great Ocean Road. I'll be back a little later. Yay, Torquay! Officially the Great Ocean Road starts here. Bit of an underwhelming start, but it's just a quick detour to a world surfing mecca. Bells Beach, here we come. Hey Utah, give me two! I'm now heading to Anglesea. From there to Apollo Bay it's about 70 k's and you pretty much stay close to the coastline. Should be plenty of places to stop off and enjoy the views. Let's have a wee look-see. I'm at the Memorial Arch at Eastern View and have just read the road was built by returned forces from World War One. Ooh, some bikes. The road is apparently a memorial to those killed during World War One. Some water glimpses for you. Unfortunately, I tend to hit record after the really good views. The sun has finally broken through. Makes things look so much better. You should see me in good sunlight. A bloody Eurasian Adonis, said no one ever. Well, what is this then? I feel duped, made a fool of, lied to even. The Great Ocean Road? Actually, I did know it takes you inland a couple of times, through forests and ferns and rolling hills, even some hairpin turns. Could be something like Blackspur Drive. We are now heading for the stretch of coastline which has the real attractions, the 12 Apostles, London Bridge, some other things. Great Ocean Road, it's definitely a ride worth doing. You get the coastline, you get twisties and open stretches of road, you get ferns and forests. It's 240 k's, so no surprise you get a bit of everything. Thanks for watching, remember to like and subscribe, and until next time, stay safe and wear a helmet!